Hello guys, it's Emily's time. Today I will show you our workshop. You know, for making a bag, there are normally 4 steps. First printing, and then lamination, then soliding, and then cutting. First, I will show you the printing workshop. You can hit here. In the printing workshop. You can see there are normally 3 machines for printing. I will show you the details. First, you can see here. These are the cylinders. Can you see the image on the cylinders? And these are for waiting for printing. I will show you the printing. Follow me. This is the printing machine. You can see there are many different colors inside. I will show you. Here, this one is clear. You can see here. This is the printing ink. This is yellow color, and this is the cylinder, and then printing on the film rolls. After that, you can see the yellow color here. After different colors. Here you can see that's the final effect. That's your design on the rolls. Okay, next I will show you the lamination. Follow me. Here is the lamination workshop. You can see the hole. Here is the lamination. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 machines for lamination. Let me show you one for details. Here you can see this is the whole overview of the lamination. Let me show you how it works. Before lamination, this is a printing layer, single printing layer. It's PET, and it needs the glue first. Here, the PET layer will cover with the glue first. And then it goes through 5 warmer boxes. All 5. Here, you can see these are 5 temperature. We can change and control the temperature to make the glue dry enough. And then the printing layer meet another middle layer, the foil layer. Then it comes together and meet together, and they laminate it. And then let me show you how the final look. This way. Now this is final look for lamination. Okay, next one is about soliding. You can see now this part, they are packing. They are packing. Later, all the other rolls will be shipped to the warehouse. Okay, next one for the soliding roll. You can see here are 3 soliding rooms. What's soliding for? You know, after lamination, there are glue inside, and maybe it will be some smell, or it will be won't be strong enough. So you can see here, we need the soliding room. We control the temperature. Each room have a stable temperature, and normally it's for 24 hours to 48 hours. Then the material, the lamination will be strong enough and smell-proof for cutting. And then let me show you cutting. You can see this long workshop is all for cutting. We have more than 10 lines for cutting. Let me show you one by one. Here you can see for cutting bags. I will show you one details. Follow me. Let me see. Okay, this one. This one actually is a flat zipper bag. I will show you how we make it. You can see before cutting, it will be like this. After the printing, lamination, soliding will be a whole row like this. And then from the machine, one step by one step, you can see it's slowly being folded. And here this part we add the zipper. You can see we added the zipper inside the bag. And then we heat seal the zipper. This part we seal the zipper inside the bag. And then the bottom side, we heat seal it. After that, all these small parts, we seal all the other parts. Then finally here in the bag, you can see a flat zipper bag. Okay, show you another one. A stand-up bag. Follow me? Let me show you the paper bag. From the very beginning. Also, it's a similar thing. You can see here are many rows waiting for cutting. You can see all the same design. And then we put it onto the machine. Similar is also a rows. And then here, you can see it's with a window, a matte clear window here, can you see? And then we folded it. Here, you can see the bottom. Finally, we make the bottom. And then same step. We add zipper here. And then we heat seal the zipper. After this, the zipper will be very strongly heat sealed into the bag. And this part, we heat seal the bottom. The bottom will be sealed. All the other small parts, it's for heat seal all the other sides, like the left side and the right side. Here, that's the final bag. Let me show you one. That's the final bag, white paper bag. You can see here in the window. And normally there are 50 pieces one bottle, and the worker will pack them into the bag. And you can see all the others are already finished. After they finish, they will put in this part, and also this part. I will show you there are so many bags. These all bags are waiting for shape. You can see here. This one is very beautiful. It's a child-resistant bag. You can see the pin here. All this. Workers are checking whether they are okay for shaping. And this one all for one customer, and this one for another one. And this one, you can see this bag is really beautiful. You can see it's with UV printing. You can see part matte, part glossy is very beautiful. Because each day we made many different bags. So this part is normally for packing. And this one, later like this part, people will pack the bags into boxes and according to customers' requirements. They pack them and put them into the warehouse, and once the customer said, okay, we will ship them. Okay, that's all for the whole workshop, and that's just one of our workshop. We have seven similar workshops. And next time, if you have any chances, you can come to our workshop, and we are really very welcome your visit. Okay, that's all. Let's back to the live room.